Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and I'm here to officially kick off the holiday season here on the New York channel, at least as far as Atlantic City is concerned. I did a 3-part video series. I just came back from Atlantic City, spent a couple days there doing these recordings. 3-part series on the Christmas decorations around town, mainly the hotels and casinos, but a couple places outside the hotels and casinos as well. This is part 1. It's going to focus on the Tropicana, Caesars, Bally's, and the Claridge. Part 2 will focus on Hard Rock, Ocean, Resorts, and Showboat. That's right, Showboat. You'll be surprised. And part 3 will be the marina side. It'll be Borgata, Golden Nugget, and Harrah's, as well as the Irish pub. So stay tuned for the entire week. I think it's going to be Monday, Wednesday, and Friday are the Christmas videos from Atlantic City. Tuesday and Thursday should focus on Las Vegas. Not Christmas, but Las Vegas. And then holidays continue here on the New York channel. I just finished visiting Smithville. I had a great visit there. The place is decorated beautifully for the holidays. Had a great Christmas dinner there with some friends. That video will be coming up shortly. And of course, I plan on visiting New York within the next week. New York City, where I'll bring you Macy's and Fifth Avenue and Rockefeller Center and Bryant Park and Central Park and all that Christmas stuff. So lots coming here, holiday related. I celebrate Christmas. You might celebrate something else. That's fine. All these videos are cool. They're very entertaining. Whatever you celebrate, happy holidays to everyone. And let's get this holiday started here with Atlantic City, shall we? So I guess like last year, we'll turn this into a contest. Tropicana actually won the contest last year as the best decorated hotel and casino. But there are some new contenders this year. We have the Irish pub, we have the Claridge, which I didn't do last year. So we'll see who the winner is this year, but just to let you know, Tropicana did win last year. If you want to check out the Christmas videos here on the New York channel from last year, they're all available. I believe there's 3 as well. This is the central area of the Quarter, which is the main restaurant shopping district of the Tropicana. The lights that you see here are timed to Christmas music, a very popular Christmas music. They play Mariah Carey and Chuck Berry, a lot of rock and roll people you'll see dancing here and having a good time. A lot of them have been drinking for the holidays, but I can't play that music unfortunately, so you're just gonna see people dancing and the lights moving to, trust me, music that's really rocking, but I'm just bringing it down a notch because of copyright issues.
This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. And a shout out to Pac-Man who found Clarice the Miss America crown in my last Atlantic City video, the Boardwalk tram. Congratulations, Pac-Man. I've been making them hard lately, but you managed to find her. Congratulations.
And as you can see, we left Tropicana. We're heading into Caesars now, and then we're going to head over to Bally's and ultimately over to the Claridge. Caesars, I have to give them props. They're undergoing a lot of changes, brand new restaurants and things like that. So there's a lot of construction going on. Didn't expect too much as far as decorations, and well, they didn't have too much as far as decorations. But again, they're really focusing on the property, the long-term improvements of the property, so I give them props for that. Now, at the same time, Caesars owns Tropicana, which we just left, and was decorated pretty nicely, and they've undergone a lot of new restaurants as well. But those restaurants seem to be just rebranded restaurants, whereas Caesars is actually undergoing a lot of construction. So again, I give them a slide this year. And here we are at Bally's, another hotel and casino undergoing lots of changes. There's lots of changes going on everywhere right now in Atlantic City for the better. And Bally's, of course, new owners, and they've taken the place and introduced a lot of new restaurants and lounges and casino carpet and just a lot of stuff going on at Bally's as well. A lot of it's been completed, so we're not going to give them the same slide that Caesars got. So let's check out Bally's and see what they're doing for the holidays.
Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New York channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys.
And finally, guys, as far as the end of part one of a three-part series here of Christmas in Atlantic City, we have the Claridge, which of course doesn't have a casino, and I did not cover it last year, and I feel bad for that because they did a beautiful job this year. And I'm going to show you what they have on display right now, so check it out.
Hey everybody, check out the New York store. There's a link in the description below. Lots of cool New York swag, including t-shirts, sweatshirts, hoodies. We have teddy bears, coffee mugs, water bottles, stickers, tote bags, you name it, you'll find it at the New York store. Lots of cool swag. Check it out. There's a link in the description below. Thanks so much for visiting.
And that's pretty much it for part one of the three-part series here of Christmas in Atlantic City. We covered the Tropicana, Caesars, Bally's, and Claridge. Next up, I think, is, let's see, we have the resorts, Hard Rock, Showboat, and Ocean. And then in part three, we'll have the marina side. We'll have Borgata, Harrah's, and Golden Nugget, as well as the Irish pub, which really isn't on the marina side, but it's going to be covered in part three. So which did you like so far? Leave a comment below and stay tuned for the other parts. In the meantime, stay tuned for lots more videos of Atlantic City and Las Vegas here on the New York channel. Thanks for watching, guys, and happy holidays.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.